Hi everyone, here we've got Alcatel U5 HD, and let me share with you how to activate image stabilization on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app, and now we have to tap on the settings which are in the left upper corner. So let's enter it. Actually, I'm not sure what's happening. Okay, okay, I just couldn't tap on the settings, whatever. And as you can see here, we've got the video settings, and on the second position, we've got a video stabilization, which is electronical one. So right now it is turned off. If you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here, and since now it is activated, of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher. This is how it works in this device. And it means that if this option will be activated, then your device will electronically, automatically will reduce the shakiness whilst you will record videos. So I really highly recommend to leave this option turned on, because then you will just record better videos. So actually that's all. This is how to activate video stabilization in your Alcatel U5 HD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.